Hey everybody, I'm so excited to see what's in here. The dogs are excited to see what's in here. They're walking around, they can't wait to see what's in here. This is the One Funnel Away Challenge box. Thank you Russell Brunson, thank you Steve, thank you everybody who's part of the ClickFunnels community. You guys are amazing. Already, we had just finished the Belief Week and it's been amazing. You know, pre-training has really, that in itself has been worth every penny. So I can't wait to see what's inside this box. I feel like I've already gotten a lot of value, but there's a lot of goodies in here, and without further ado, I'm gonna get to opening it. Let's see, what's the best angle to open this? Probably from here. They've thought of everything, and I'm so excited to be part of the ClickFunnels community and on this journey right now. Okay, here we go. I'll actually turn it this way. Whoa, it even has a smell. Unfortunately, we don't have smell-o-vision here, but it has a nice smell. I imagine this is what Russell's cologne smells like. I don't know if he wears cologne. The first thing we got in here, this is a heavy, nice heavy book. I'm just gonna move this over a little bit, like that. Okay, actually, one sec. So this was tucked up top, right here, this paper. How would you like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away Challenge with you? Wow, that's awesome. So actually, yeah, there's a link below this video if you guys are interested in joining the One Funnel Away Challenge. It was $100, but I can tell you that even just with the pre-training, which has been all about belief and shifting your beliefs, it's been worth every penny. And so, again, I'm just super excited here. And over here we got, your training officially begins now. To each, there comes in their lifetime a special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the challenge or the chance to do a very special thing, unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour. And that's a Sir Winston Churchill quote, and I could not agree more. And let me just back up a bit and preface some of this. So like, how did I get exposed to Russell? I got exposed to Russell when I was on YouTube one day and he was burning his book, and that book was Expert Secrets. And I was like, wow, this is amazing. I'm just gonna buy the book. I go to the funnel. I didn't know at the time it was a funnel, but it was so easy, free plus shipping kind of a deal. Got the book. Once the book came, I didn't read it for months. It just sat on my shelf. In December, we were up in Rhode Island visiting my family, and I was reading it, and I got like 70, 80 pages in, and I knew it was like amazing, amazing stuff, but I wasn't quite ready yet. Fast forward to May of this year, I read all of Expert Secrets. I don't know what made me pick the book up. I just felt compelled to pick the book up, and it changed my life. Just that book alone. I soon after bought .com Secrets, and the rest is kind of history. Danielle is reading Expert Secrets right now. We're both involved in this challenge, and it's been amazing. So without further ado, let's see what's in here. Let's see the book in here. It's heavy. It's a nice hardcover. Should probably open it this way, how they intended. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Nice hardcover book. Even the pages are shiny. I'm telling you, every detail has been accounted for. And so, oh, what's this? Sticker of Russell on there, right? In funnels we trust, it says. That's hilarious. I'm going to take it off and I'm going to show you guys. In funnels we trust. It's Russell. He's put himself on a $100 bill, a la Ben Franklin. And says, in funnels we trust, the United Funnels of America. This is hilarious. You're just one funnel away. It's true. I really believe that. And so this is the book. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 if you suddenly lost everything? I'm sure there's amazing content in here. There's great, great entrepreneurs in here, and they give their unadulterated, unfiltered advice. And this in itself is going to provide tremendous value. So I'll just set that aside here. Let's look at this now. Next thing in there is the One Funnel Away MP3, I believe. I believe the MP3 is in here. And on this MP3 is all the coaching from Steve and Russell, all on there for you. Flip it over like this. That's a nice touch. You know, most of us are listening to our music on our iPhones now or our phones. This is nice. So the content from the challenge, which is all pre-recorded, it's on here. And so every day new content is unlocked, but this is all 30 days on here. This is very handy. This means that when we're on the go and doing other things, we can keep refreshed and stay current on all the good information. That's awesome. Let me move this stuff here. Making the table messy with greatness. Okay. 2 Comma Club coaching. The life you want, the marriage you want, the family you want is going to be fueled by the business you build. I believe that 110%. In fact, that's why the second company we just launched, Color One Media, is all about video strategy, because we believe that with the right video assets, you can change your life and live the life you've always wanted. You don't start a business to become a slave to your business. And so that's also why we're involved in the One Funnel Away Challenge. And so I'm completely bought in. And it's just showing all the 2 Comma Club winners in here, some very successful people, down-to-earth people, real people. These are not fake things. This is all real results. People who had nothing in a lot of cases, and now they have amazing, amazing things that they never thought were possible, all because of funnels, right? Amazing. Okay, the One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. Customize and execute your 30-day plan. Boom, nice spiral bound. I love that. Let's see what's in here. I'll just flip through. Okay, so these are all so every day as part of the challenge we have homework. So this is like the homework from each of the days. I'll just open it so you can kind of get a sense, right? And so this is very important because, you know, a lot of online courses that Danielle and I have invested in to help our businesses, it's like, it's self-paced, but with this, it's a challenge. So like they really make sure that you're doing the work. You don't see results if you don't do the work, and that's amazing. They really have thought of every element to help you succeed, and I already feel like we've succeeded here. Let me see, what else is in here? Some styrofoam. I guess the fun ends there, folks. But that's okay. The fun is just beginning, especially if you're interested in doing this. Click the link at the bottom of this video and get started today.